Are you tired of struggling to get by, while others seem to be making millions quickly? It might seem like they have a secret that you don't, but the truth is, it's not a secret at all. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about something that's very important to all of us, and that is becoming financially successful. If you're like most people, you probably want to know the secret to getting rich. Well, I'm here to tell you that there is no one secret, but there are certain steps and strategies that you can follow to increase your chances of financial success. The key to getting rich quickly comes down to understanding just 3 simple things. The first is access to a high-value skill set. You can go out and build this high-value skill set yourself, or you can identify it in other people and have them help you. But if you ignore this important first step, it doesn't matter how smart, funny, or talented you are, because nothing you do moving forward is going to work. So here are some steps to follow. Setting financial goals. When setting financial goals, it's important to be specific and realistic. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be rich," a specific goal would be, "I want to have a net worth of $1 million by 2023. Having a specific goal in mind will make it easier to create a plan and track your progress. Also, make sure your goal is achievable, meaning it should be something that is possible to attain, given the resources and time you have. Relevant, meaning the goal should align with your overall life goals and values, and time-bound, meaning you should set a deadline for when you want to achieve the goal. Creating a budget. A budget will help you understand where your money is going, and it will give you a clear picture of where you can cut back on expenses. You can use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your income and expenses, or you can use the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessities, 30% goes towards wants and 20% goes towards savings or investment. Once you have a budget in place, make sure you stick to it. Investing in yourself. Investing in yourself means taking steps to improve your skills and increase your earning potential. This can include taking classes, attending workshops, or getting a degree. The more skills you have, the more valuable you'll be in the job market, and the more opportunities you'll have to make more money. Additionally, you can also invest in your physical and mental health, which will make you more productive and increase your earning potential in the long run. Investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to remember that it comes with risks. Before investing, make sure you understand the basics of how the stock market works and the different types of investments available to you. It's also important to do your own research and invest in companies or funds that align with your values and goals. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in different types of stocks and sectors can also help minimize your risk. And lastly, always be patient. Don't try to time the market, and don't panic when the market goes down. It's all a part of the game. Living below your means. Living below your means is all about making conscious choices with your money and being mindful of your spending habits. This means cutting back on unnecessary expenses and saving as much money as possible. One way to do this is to set up automatic savings plans, so a certain percentage of your income goes straight into savings. Another way is to use cashback apps or loyalty programs to get discounts and rewards on your purchases. And lastly, create a savings plan that fits your lifestyle, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, an emergency fund, or retirement. By following these steps, you will be on your way to achieving financial success. Remember, it's not a one-time thing, it's a continuous process that requires discipline and patience. Becoming financially successful isn't easy, but it is possible. By setting goals, creating a budget, investing in yourself, investing in the stock market, and living below your means, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success. Remember, it's not about making a quick fortune, but about making smart and sustainable choices for your future.